video, I'll show you DIY projects using seashells. They will add a lot of summery / beachy vibes, and I love summer, so I'm so excited to make these. Hey guys, what is up? Hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 5 DIY project ideas for summer using seashells. Hope you're feeling crafty, and let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to make this super cute DIY wall hanging decor. Take a piece of wood. Take some string and cut 5 long pieces. I'm using this white string. Take one piece and tie it to the middle of the branch and not on the side. Make a double knot. Just like that, tie the other pieces. Cut these extra pieces hanging here. Trim the ends to make them all equal. Okay, so this is how I'm going to put it on the wall, but we're going to glue the shells from the back, so flip it. And start gluing the shells. I'm putting extra glue to make sure they stay in place. I glued same type shells in one row and made 4 rows. But you don't have to do the same, you can glue them randomly. Take some more string, tie one end to the corner of the branch. Make sure to double knot it. And tie the other end on the other corner. Cut the extra hanging pieces and we are done. Trim the ends if you have to. I love it so much. Does this give beachy / summery vibes? Heck yeah! This next one is literally the easiest thing ever. It takes like 2 seconds. Take a shell and a bobby pin. Put some glue on the shell and put it on the bobby pin. And that's it. I made one more with this broken piece, which I think is perfect for this DIY. I'm definitely wearing this every time I'll go to a beach. Although remove it if you're planning to swim, obviously. Next, I'll make this really cute and easy summer necklace. Take any kind of string and make a knot at one of the ends. Make 2 more knots on it. Cut the unwanted piece. Do the same on the other side. Now take 2 similar looking shells. Put glue on one of the knot and glue it to the inside. Press it even more so you don't see the knot. And do the same for this one. Here's how to wear it. This next DIY is a room / bathroom decor. Take a glass, put some pebbles and then put some sand. And spread it out evenly. Then start putting shells. Start with the big ones and put the small ones in the front. If you want, you can put some pebbles or small coral pieces. Such a cute and easy decor piece. I decided to put it on my bathroom counter. After putting sand, I realized you can't even see the pebbles. You can. Nope. Oh well. Next, I'm gonna make this wall decor. You need a plain frame. Using a hot glue gun, glue seashells of different colors, different sizes, different types because we don't discriminate. We are done. You can search for some summer quotes on the internet. or just make them yourself because I made this one myself. Also guys, I tried ASMR for the very first time, which I think you guys are familiar with. If you're not, then search it up on the internet. And I don't really know how I did, but I'm gonna put it in this video, so enjoy a clip of me trying ASMR for the very first time. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm really sorry for not uploading in like forever. I promise I'm going to try my best to upload more frequently, and yeah, hope you guys have an awesome summer. Bye! In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys oh my god. So enjoy a second clip of me. Second.